Welcome to Online Earning Ways. Looking for a simple way to make money online without any special skills or upfront investment? Today, I'll show you how to make money by taking paid surveys in 2025 with legit websites, proven strategies, and tips to avoid wasting your time. Let's dive right in. First one is, choose the right paid survey websites. The very first step is to choose trusted and high-paying survey platforms. Not every site is worth your time. Some pay pennies, while others offer real value. Here are some of the best survey sites in 2025. Swagbucks, one of the most popular platforms. Earn points by answering surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. You can redeem points as PayPal cash or gift cards. Second site is Survey Junkie, super user-friendly. They pay decently, and the surveys are usually short and simple. Next up, Pinecone Research, high-paying and trusted, though it's invite-only or wait-listed. Fourth website is Inbox Dollars. They pay in real money, not points. You'll see exactly how much you earn for each task. Last but not the least, BinLogix. This is a rising platform in 2025. It focuses on legit surveys and micro tasks, paying directly through PayPal or crypto wallets. Reviews on Reddit and Trustpilot are solid, and users report consistent earnings. Pro tip: sign up for 3 to 5 platforms to get access to more daily surveys and better chances to qualify. Next strategy is, complete your profile properly. Once you've joined, your next move is to fill out your profile completely. Survey sites use your data, like your age, location, hobbies, and job, to match you with relevant surveys. If your profile's incomplete, you'll keep getting disqualified or offered low-paying surveys. Keep your profile updated every 2 to 3 months. This tells the system you're active, and it improves your chances of getting better paying opportunities. Example, if you're a 25-year-old student who enjoys gaming, you might get surveys related to tech, education, or entertainment. Next up, avoid scams and time wasters. Let's be real, not all survey platforms are safe. You need to protect yourself from scams. Stay away from any site that asks you to pay a fee to join. Legit survey platforms are always free. If a site promises $500 per survey, it's fake. Surveys are low effort and low risk, so they won't make you rich overnight. Check platforms on Trustpilot or search Reddit communities for honest reviews. Sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and BinLogix have been vetted by thousands of users. Pro tip: always use a secondary email for surveys. It keeps your main inbox clean and helps manage notifications. Last but not the least, smart strategies to maximize your earnings. Paid surveys won't make you rich, but you can maximize earnings with these smart tactics. Join multiple sites. More platforms equals more opportunities. I recommend having 3 to 6 active accounts. Be consistent, log in daily or at least every other day. Surveys expire quickly. If you're early, you're more likely to qualify. Next is, use a separate email. Helps you manage notifications and find surveys faster. Refer friends. Most platforms offer referral bonuses. Share your invite link and earn when others sign up. Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars offer great referral deals. Pro tip: if you're using BinLogix, turn on survey alerts. They notify you in real time when high-paying tasks go live. Want to boost your income beyond surveys? Combine this side hustle with others. Freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork let you sell skills like writing, design, or data entry. Website flipping: buy cheap websites, improve their SEO or content, and resell them for a profit. Cashback apps: use Rakuten, Honey, or even Swagbucks shopping features to earn while spending. Surveys are great for passive time, but these help you build a stronger income stream. To wrap up, paid surveys are a legit way to earn a little extra in 2025, especially if you. First one is, choose trusted sites like Swagbucks, BinLogix, and SurveyJunkie. Second is, stay consistent and fill out your profile properly. Lastly, avoid scams and refer friends for bonuses. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you've tried any of these platforms. This is Online Earning Ways, your go-to for simple, honest online income tips.